welcome to my channel. So in the today's lecture we are going to discuss white box testing. In the last video we discussed about the black box testing. Okay, what we studied in the black box testing? In black box testing, we discussed that this testing is done to check the behavior of the program. Okay, what we do? We just give input and we check if correct output we get or not. Okay, and whoever is doing black box testing has no knowledge of the code. Black box testing is not related to coding. Black box testing is mainly used to check the functionality of the code. Okay, what we do? We do input and we just check output whether we are getting correct output or not. Okay, you don't have the knowledge of internal details or the coding details in black box testing. You are not aware of the internal details. Whoever is performing black box testing, if he doesn't have the knowledge of programming or coding, then still it is okay, because it has no relation with the internal details of the program. We just give input and we just check output whether corresponding to the given input are we getting the right output or not. If you are not getting the correct output, then what we understand? We understand that there is some error in the program and we try to resolve the error. Okay, so this is actually the black box testing. Now let me tell you white box testing. In this black box testing, we just check the functionality or the behavior of the code, while this white box testing is related to internal details of the program. Internal details of the program. Whoever is doing white box testing should have the knowledge of programming. What happens in white box testing? We look into the coding. We just try to check each and every statement of the program. We try to check each and every conditions, functions, everything is checked. We are now getting inside the code. Everything, each and every single statement we check to know if we have any error in the program. While in black box testing, we don't have the internal details. We just check the functionality through input and output. But in white box testing, we look into the coding. We should have knowledge of the programming. Okay, only then you can check the statements. We try to check each and every statements, conditions and functions present in your code so that you can detect the error. Okay, and whoever is doing the white box testing should have the knowledge of the programming. Only then you can understand each and every statement, condition or functions. Okay, if you look at this black box testing is less time consuming. In a very less time you are going to detect the errors. But your white box testing is little bit more time consuming. It is going to consume your more time, because now you have to check the internal details. You have to check each each and every statements, conditions and functions so that you can detect the error. So this was the basic idea of black box testing and white box testing. If you have any query, I have mentioned my email ID in the description box. You can contact me on that email ID. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.